So with Holi coming up, I thought we could have a few organic Holi colors that we could use, especially in celebrating festivals. So what I thought was, let's just make them at home. And I figured out it's pretty easy to do. All you need are 3 ingredients. Well, actually 4, and the 4th one is pretty important. First, you need a bunch of color, food coloring. Then you need any old kind of, cornstarch that you can get at Walmart or Target or whatever. And then all you've got to do is take the cornstarch. For every cup of cornstarch, you want to add about half a cup of water. And your favorite color, in this case we're doing teal, and I'll show you how that looks like in just a few minutes when that really starts mixing. So as you can see, that's the beginning, but you'll see what it looks like at the very end. The other cool thing about this way of doing it is you get to play with Newtonian fluids. And what is that? Well, I'll tell you that in just a second. So, basics are food coloring, cornstarch, water, and a lot of mixing. All right, so we've mixed all of the cornstarch, the teal color, food coloring, and the water together. And this is essentially the last step, right? As you can see, this is what forms, right? And the cool thing about this is this fluid thing we put together follows some really interesting Newtonian physics in that it's a Newtonian fluid. Why? We'll see how easy it is to punch it while I'm going slow. But if I try to stab it, it gives you a lot of resistance. Or if I try to lift a lot of it, see, it just breaks apart with a lot of resistance. So it's a cool little physics thing to do besides mixing your Holi colors. So here's what we've mixed so far, which is teal. And what we're going to do now is I've lined these, pizza thingamajiggies with plastic. I did one earlier with the color purple. And now we're going to do the same thing with this color teal. And you just pour it in here. And this thing takes a little while because it's kind of viscous. So tell me what viscous means, okay? When we meet next time, I'm going to ask you what that means. And you just pour this thing in here. And you let it dry overnight. And then we'll cover what you have to do once things have dried overnight. So, until tomorrow, see you then. So, yesterday we were making this, which was the homemade Holi colors. Remember, the teal? Well, it dried overnight and it's been in the sun. And what you do next is essentially you just break it apart, right? You've got the cornstarch and you've got the color. So you break it up by hand, and what you want to do is take the big pieces and take them down to small ones, right? Just use your hands. And it's okay, they'll be easily wiped off because when you guys are here, we're going to jump into that. So, anywho, what I did for prep for Holi is made all these different colors. So we have blue, pink, teal, green, marigold, and then purple. So when you guys are here next time, we'll make a few more. All right, bye.